Ooh, are you okay?
Yeah, I fell.
Oh.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ready? Go. USA! USA! USA!
Daniel didn't tell us where to go.
Oh my god, we should have thrown Thunder Bean here.
Oh my god.
Awesome.
Maybe if we get some high ground, we can spot him. Ooh, are you okay?
Yeah, I fell.
Oh, Yoro. Tango down. Well, let's move up to the sandbags. Found him. My 12 exactly. Let's move up to the trench, Aaliyah. Move up, move up, move up. I got left, you watch right. Firing right over me. My left. Hit! Good shot. Hit!
Okay, so in our continuing saga of Waffle House versus, what's the other one?
IHOP.
IHOP. See, I haven't been involved in this, and this is the first time I've been involved. So Joe and I are on our way to go play with Aaliyah and Matt and company. We're meeting them over in Atlanta. And Joe and I decided, you know, we're gonna stop at Waffle House. So I get a cup of coffee, and I pay with a $5 bill. And I get my change, and I'm walking out, and I'm noticing, wow, these bills here, they're really nice and flat and crisp, and they're 2013s. I mean, what's the chance that a 2013 bill has never been folded? And upon closer examination, we have discovered that somebody took the time to counterfeit 3 $1 bills. So IHOP wins today, but just for today. We still refuse to disavow our allegiance to Waffle House because, while the coffee was pretty good, it wasn't quite worth $5 because now I have this pretty much toilet paper, but it is good looking toilet paper. We should give away one of these counterfeits. Is that a crime?
Yes, it's a crime.
Somebody,
It's a crime just to be holding them.
Well, come at me, Secret Service. What's up? We're not even there yet. Shut up, we're in Atlanta. All right.
USA! USA! USA!
Ain't my chair, ain't my problems. What do I always say?
Okay, so we have arrived, but we have a slight problem.
Daniel didn't tell us where to go.
So we have a whole neighborhood to canvas.
He won't answer the phone.
And he won't let me knock on doors in full raid gear.
We can knock on doors, just not in gear.
Excuse me, have you heard of our Lord and Savior Aaliyah? We have no idea where she lives.
So we just got done with Team Airsoft. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Kind of like great to get back in the element again because we're usually used to the field and stuff. Right now we're headed back to go meet up with Joe and Nick. They just got back to the apartment. Matt was there. He didn't come with us. The backseat is empty because he's feeling sick.
Oh my god, we should have thrown Thunder Bean here.
We were literally considering clearing it.
Hold where you are. Do not attempt to make any sudden movements.
I killed?
You killed Daniel!
Hands where I can see them. I failed to see an issue. Hands where I can... Oh, he's dead. Okay.
You killed him.
Well, sucks to suck.
I'm glad you had the camera on.
Poor kick-ass.
I'm gonna give you...
Why do you have that backpack on the front?
I think that's the least of your worries right now.
Day 2, we are headed off to get something to eat, and then go to Elite Ops, and then ow, it's my hand. Okay. So try to find my phone that I lost at Elite Ops, so Operation Find Matt's iPhone is a go. Here we have our professional seekers of Joe, Aaliyah, Daniel, and Nick together.
We managed to
We
find
make-
your throwing knife that one time.
We did. Oh my God.
Awesome.
Shut up.
And I'm going this way.
Oh no, it's the danger zone. Found my phone.
Am I operator yet?
Oh, tactical seatbelt, safety. Safety first.
Like, don't point guns at each other in the car.
Leah, where are we heading again?
We're going to Power Up.
Power Ups?
And I
Awesome. Is this more of a CQB or an outdoor kind of field?
It's kind of both. It's
Kind of a mixed
outside,
one?
but there's like a town.
Alright, cool. Sounds like fun. Alright, made it. In the middle of Nowheresville, but hey, we made it.
I'm working on it.
So let's go.
The attackers have to arm the MCOM station, which will be sitting in a spot. Case will be open, it will be ready to go. All you have to do, click start. It's a 45-second timer. The attackers have 2 MCOM stations they have to destroy. Here's the catch. So the attackers have 75 lives as a pool. No fire restrictions. Go to town.
Alright. Okay, backing up. Nope, that's a bad way to go. Don't go that way.
Anyone this way?
Yeah, I can see him. One guy moving up. You might be able to push on it. Alright, Roger, go. You go. I get covered. Okay, let's move that.
Right here. What's top window?
Roger.
Where? Top window.
Far back, far back. Ooh, hit. There's one dude behind that wood barrier. Hey Nick, go try to get into that building right in front of Aaliyah. Alright, go. I'm going behind you.
Left side! In the north!
Woo. Hello. You got any visuals, Aaliyah? There's one guy moving left, Nick, good shot. We need to really start pushing hard on this left side.
Like, straight around the corner.
Okay. I see him. Nick, he's pushing up, Nick. Out.
What's the sit rep?
Oh, go to Aaliyah. Dan, stay low. Roger. Aaliyah needs help. She's up in this building over here. Hey, Dan, Nick, we gotta make a push. Let's do something. Move with me.
We gotta push.
Ready? Moving. Hit.
Good shot.
I'm gonna push up a little bit. Yeah, we gotta start being real aggressive.
Move up. Friendly switch.
We're at like 37 right now. All right, man, we gotta start making some plays here. Okay, I'm thinking if we can just start pushing hard on this left side right here. I can put suppressive fire. You run up to that building, just stay there, hold position. Then you signal me to go on, and then I'll come out behind you. Tell me when you're ready. Hey, ready. Woo.
You make it, Dan?
Yeah, made it.
All right, I'm gonna try to push to you. Hit, hit, hit.
Go, 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 go.
Woo! Woo! Ah, damn it, friendly, friendly. Ah.
Yeah, let's move.
Daniel, Aaliyah, there's 2 in that building.
Roger.
So there's no worry about it. Nope, not today. Here we go. Watch out, Dan. They're coming right through here. Ah.
Hey, this side's clear.
This side's clear?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on him.
Yeah, I'm gonna push to the tower. Give me cover and fire. On you, Dan. Up, hit, 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 hit. Hit. Good shot. Grab this, please.
No, no, Mag.
Mag. Okay, hang on.
Respawn.
Here you go, right here. Oh, all good. All right, let's roll. Hey guys, we're doing really good on that right side. Yeah, there's only one dude in the tower. Now let's go clear that tower. We're gonna get that tower clear. Let's do it. Move it this way. Ah!
Hey, this guy right here in this window.
I'll get low, you get high. Ready? 2, 3 feet. I see him, I got this on him. I got beat on him. Oh, I totally got that guy.
Straight ahead. Straight ahead. I count 13.
I got him covered, I got him covered. Oh, I see him. Not reloading. I'm good. Hey, we're gonna make a move on that building. We need to suppress the fire, alright? Alright, so let's smoke. We got smoke going out, hold on.
Hey, where do you want it? Where do you want it?
Alright, just run right in front of that building. Right in front of that building with the red flag on it. Getting ready. Whoop. I got him pinned as soon as you run. Alright, is the smoke good? Is the smoke good? Alright, ready? Cover in 3, 2, 1, stand, go, go, go! Hit. Good shooting, guys. Good shooting. Alright, are we pretty close to done with the respawns now?
Y'all got 7 left.
Ah, jeez. Alright. Over there.
Okay. 2 men across right. There's one guy literally, you see that slanting wall right there?
Yeah.
He's literally right behind it.
Alright, hey. We got 5 lives remaining left. You guys just want to try to do one mass push? Let's forward to this. Alright, hey. We're gonna do a 4-man just push. We're probably gonna get shot. At least maybe we can get one to that building, alright?
As we push, you 2 focus on diagonal.
Right.
Him and I will focus straight ahead.
Roger.
Alright. And 3, 2, 1.
Ah, hit, damn it.
Oh, fuck.
Damn. Are we out or we still got a few more? We're last 3? Dan, this is our last life. Let's go do something.
Oh, yeah.
On your left, Dan. Woo, hit, you got me, good shot.
We're in the tower, move, initiative. Moving around the right now. Good shot. End of game.
Turn to staging. Good game, guys.
Holy.
I will join you.
It's such a long road to have a hike.
We're going for a straight up 5-man rush, straight down the center. See if we can get to that case real quick. Nick, get over here. Nick, get over here.
Nick's by himself.
Nick. Nick.
Nope.
Let's go. Hit. Right side. Hit. Let's go. Get him off. Let's be fun, sort him out. Out reloading.
Clear the side.
Come on, Leo, let's go. Ah.
Switch sides.
Let's have a dedicated runner again. That almost worked. But hey, let's do a hard flank on it.
Okay, hard flank.
Hard flank on the right, yeah.
All right.
3, 2, 1, game on!
Sorry, man.
That's index, guys. Let's go to staging. Hill House Team 1. Index.
Well, we won. That worked.
Hey, I'll take it. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Good job, boys.
Thank you.
Good job, Joe. Good job. That's what I'm talking about. Way to go. Good job, boys.
Are we ready to go?
I think we're ready to go. I think that's it. 8 o'clock. Finally finished. It's one hell of a feel. This is a great area to play. Hey, Leah, what's the name of this place again?
Power Ups.
Power Ups.
Atlanta.
If you're in the area, go check it out. This is an awesome place. They got like a little Vietnam area. We didn't get to do that today, but it's hot. It's very hot. These colors don't run, son. That is not good.
Ready?
Yeah. 2, 3.
USA! 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 Woo!
Can we rotate my arm a little bit, or is it good right there? Since you were hiding behind the fork. Yeah.
Small stick in 1, 2.
Don't screw up.
1, 2, 3.
Nope. Actually, wasn't bad at all.
This is what happens when you come to Aaliyah's house.
Oh, you got it?
Yes!
So that-
Victory!
Wow, oh wow, it's really,
Yeah.
it's hosing out. You just struck oil.
No, these ones aren't
Black
self-included.
gold. Texas tea.
Hold on. Sorry.
Okay.
But we hit it. Good job.
We have another.
Okay, I'm done
Yeah,
now.
I already pulled it out. Including.
Oh, hold on. Wait, take the paper towel away because I have to Snapchat this. Stay
Well, I hit him in the vein.
Okay,
Okay,
give me a thumbs up with your needle or something.
With your
I'm sorry. You did it though. You had the easiest veins out of everybody.
I'm just gonna go hide in Fort Kick-Ass now.
You want to hold it? I was going to say, I think that about concludes our day 2 of our CQB Atlanta tour. Finish it off by watching some airsoft videos of our
Drawing blood on your
and drawing blood. Leah's been using us as her personal pin cushions. Poor Joe, he's passed out. He's been driving for about...
He's been up for like, what, 36 hours?
He's only had 1 hour sleep.
We've been staying up till like past midnight almost every day, so.
Aaliyah knows all the good spots. She's just got like all the... She's our official tour guide of Atlanta right now. She's like getting all the good feels and everything. And tomorrow we're going to Battle City, yeah? Awesome, so can't wait to check that out next.
Okay, tell the world good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good racing.
This is why we can't have nice things. We're gonna kill you, Daniel!
Down on the floor. Nice kill.
Oh, damn.